Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours from Scout. This is their 195 Sportfish. Full hull black gel coat, looks really sharp and striking with the matching black rubber rail and stainless steel insert. Got this one in the powder coated T-top, which also includes a T-bag storage net and rocket launcher style rod holders. Coming around to the back, this boat is powered with a 150 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha, the new engine cowling style. It's got the new Sea-Star trim tabs, reboarding ladder with a on a swim platform to the port side. Makes it easy to get in and out of the boat. .86 beam on this 19-footer, so a very wide boat for its length. You got rear jump seats with integrated backrests that come into a combing bolster to go all the way to midship. Stainless steel grab rails, rod holders, cup holders on the inside, recessed cleats. We've got undergunnel rod storage beneath both sides of the boat, which are also great for holding deck brushes or boat hooks. This is a very comfortable boat to operate and sit at the helm. We've got a nice molded backrest, adjustable footrest that comes down as well. Steering wheel is on a tilt base. Got a Fusion Bluetooth stereo head unit. Got enough real estate at the dash to mount a 9-inch MFD or Garmin. Again, your controls here with Yamaha induction style charging for your phones. Cup holders, lockable glove box, battery switches here. This is that new trim tab remote from Sea-Star that's on a dial. Digital Yamaha gauges, and all your lights and pumps for the boat are aircraft style toggle switches. You've got some non-skid with the Scout logo in the corner that helps dress the boat up really nicely. Head area on this boat is pretty sizable, so I'll grab the camera and give you an idea what that looks like in here. Got a recessed floor with a drain, lots of headroom as well. Everything is nice and finished, easy to keep clean. So if you want to put a porta potty in there, you could easily do so, or it's just great for storage. Here up in the bow, nice bow cushion. If you remove this cushion, you got a big casting platform with bow storage. So this is a great boat to fish or cruise. These headrests easily removed if you want to get them out of the way. We've got a forward-facing cooler seat with backrest. And here's another look at that T-top. JL audio system throughout. Bow rod cup holders in the foredeck, so they can hold a rod, a cup, or a bow sunshade kit. Anchor locker is up here. This boat's also pre-wired for a trolling motor, so that's all ready in place. Easy access to the boat's bilge is down here. And beneath the leaning post, you got your live well with a blue interior. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.